Alright, so 383 runs. It lives. I want to show you what my next step is here. Some people, I guess they leave you off on, yeah, the motor's done, yay, but here's what I got going on. This is the oil that I immediately drained out of the engine, and I thought I should give you a look at what I'm doing here. So the oil that I drained out of that engine in a very, very clean pan all night long, I'm pouring into a paint filter, slowly but surely, and I'm looking for large amounts of metal flake. I know this engine could have been dirty on the inside, but we are getting down to the good part that should show you how good, bad, or ugly it is. I don't see anything in that oil. Oh, there's a little tiny speck, couple specks. Nope, that was a bubble. Let me pour it into my filter and be done. That is clean as a whistle. A couple bubbles, some paint specks. Now let's go cut the filter open. Clean paint cup, new paint filter, oil filter. We'll pour it just like that. Let that drain. And we're going to cut this sucker in just a second. He's drained for a while. I don't see, let's look in there. I don't see much. Little tiny black specks of dirt. And clamp our filter. I recommend Wix filters. I think Napa also, it would be a Napa 1068, I think. I've heard it's the same company. I don't know for sure if Wix makes Napa filters or not. Let's see, clamp oil filter, adjust cutting tool to type of filter. Adapter pin may be removed for various types of filter. Place cutting tool on filter, tighten the snug, rotate the tool. So this is a Tempest aviation oil filter cutter. A few pilots around somewhere, I don't. Not myself. There you go. We can make a full round here. Oh. Come on. There we are. Lift off. I want to know what's in that. I'm going to pour it in my cup. There's the funk. See the bottom of that can? Really looks pretty good. I was scared for a minute, but there's a little tiny flake there. You might can see it. Orange paint. 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 Lots and lots of paint. Did they paint the inside of the valve covers too? This engine ran 25 minutes. Where's the shiny stuff at? That's good, I guess. Why not? Easy. Uh-oh, I got my glove. That was the inside, and there's the outside. Paint! That's my glove, sorry. I don't see anything shiny in that. I like it. Let's try this last chunk here so I can go ahead and cut my fingers off. There. Groovy. And here's my last look. There's a little tiny metal flake there you might can see. Lots of orange paint. I don't see very much metal at all. I think we're good to go. There we go. Anyway, we'll call that the post-startup analysis. So I think I can fill it back up with oil and run her again. Thank y'all for watching.